simple way to filter your items. So we're just gonna do some fast HTML. So first the buttons, let's say button, and I'm gonna have data filter equals all. So this is a few buttons we have here. Let's say house, book, and let's say a color red. Okay, so here are just the buttons, and let's say just to make it look better, margin. Okay. And there you go, you have the buttons, and obviously we wanna so here you have the buttons. Okay, and then you want to have the boxes. I'm gonna name it data box. You can name it whatever you want to. Same with the data filter, you can name it whatever you want. And we can choose just house here. Okay, and I'll just do a clear here. And just to do a quick style on the box. Okay, right, there we go. And we're gonna add some more. We just add some, and we're gonna add some book instead. Book. And we're gonna add some red. All right, you get the point. So we got a lot of items here in your gallery or your store, and now you want this to function, right? So we just go. Don't forget to add this jQuery here. You just like that, save and close, and we're gonna have. We just select the data filter equals all, like that. Click function. Like that. And obviously we want to show all, right? So all boxes, box, show, simple. And on the house, we just want to show data box equals house. Excuse me, house. Like that, show. Obviously we want to hide everything else, so we just hide everything else. So first we hide it, and then we show only the houses. So clicking house, you see all the houses, clicking all, so you get the points. So the quickest, smallest script to filter your things. You don't have to use data attributes, but I like to use it. You can use it, add classes and name the classes and use class selectors if you wish to. But I mean, this would be the fastest to just filter something. I've seen other videos, they do so advanced stuff. You don't, the beginners doesn't understand it. So this is the fastest way I could figure out myself anyway. Book, red. Okay, so there you go. Just a book, house, red. Obviously, you can add all your styles, transition, and all that. And maybe you can, instead of hide and that, you can use fade, toggle maybe. So you can play around with that. This video is just for a simple way to just show and hide. Filter whatever you need to filter. Now you can filter how much you want, right? It's just imagination. Simple script. I hope it helps you.